Welcome to Journal Awareness class. Today we are going to do an exercise from our book Smart Learners Environmental Studies. Open page 22. Our topic for today is pet animals and name of the exercise is Unjumbled the words and find pet animals. Let's start. Now see the first picture. It is a dog. Now unjumble this word and write the correct spelling of dog. D-O-G. Dog. See this picture. It is a cat. Now unjumble the word and write the correct spelling of cat. C-A-T. Cat. Now see this picture. It is a fish. Now unjumble this word and write the correct spelling of fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. See this picture? It is a rabbit. Now unjumble the word and write the correct spelling of rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. See this picture? It is tortoise. Now unjumble the word and write the correct spelling of tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Tortoise. So kids, today we have developed analytical thinking, observation and writing skills. So kids, I hope you have understood this page and will do the same at home. Bye.